Good evening, friends. This is gold futures dollar chart. COMEX exchange gold futures dollar chart, and time frame is weekly chart time frame. Now I will show you based on weekly chart how gold will going to perform in coming weeks, because it is a weekly chart. So 1 day, 2 day, based on 1 day, 2 day, we cannot predict anything. So next couple of weeks, how gold going to perform? First I need to connect the trend line from the lower lows. I will show you this level. This level is the May month 2019 May levels. That means 2 years back. Gold was traded around $1,260, $1,260-$65, and last year 2020, this is last year low, March 2020 low, that means COVID-19 lows, around $1,450. Now the recent low, last week it made recent low at $1,673. Now it is trading at around $1,723. So we need to connect first at the lower low. Last two years low we need to connect. This low 2019 low, and this is 2020 low. I extend the trend line. You see, exactly last week low exactly touches the trend line support. 2 years trend line support last week exactly touches that low, $1,673. And we need to connect the upper trend line, higher highs. This is the historical high, August 2020 high. That means $2,089 is the historical high. After that, January 2021 high, this is the recent high. From there only market is correcting. 2021 high was $1,962. So we need to connect these two highs. So you can see exactly support taken at the lower trend line. And what we need to watch next? You see, $2,089 is the recent high. That means last August month high is $2,089. Recent low was $1,673. And you can calculate how much points corrected, how much percentage corrected. 1 second. You see, you can calculate 2089 is the historical high, and recent low minus recent low $1,673. So you can see $416 correction happened in last 6-7 months from August 2020 to March 2021. Last 7 months it corrected 416 points. It is a huge correction. You see, bear market corrections are like this only. 20% corrections, 21% corrections. These are all called bear market corrections. Generally, you can calculate 416 points is the correction happened, and you can calculate the 2089 is the historical high into 21% equal to $438. 21% correction value is $438, but it almost corrected $416. So 21% correction almost over. That means, why I taken 21% means these are all the figures, Fibonacci figures. 8%, you can see generally these media people will tell 8%, 13%. These are all the Fibonacci figures. It will work very fine. 13% correction, 21% correction is a big correction. So, according to this 21% correction already happened, according to this trend line support also taken. So, as per this symptoms, I feel the worst is over for the gold. From this level, market will bounce back and it will go, a big bull run will happen in coming weeks. Coming weeks means we need to wait for some couple of weeks, because it is a the continuous process, not happened in a single day or 2-3 days or 4-5 days. It is a weekly chart. So we need to wait for at least 3 weeks to 5 weeks. Definitely, I believed the big bull run will happen in gold. You see, $416 $16 correction happened, 21% correction happened, and you can see what is the target we can fix for the big bull run, because the lower trend line support taken. So this price will go and test the upper trend line. That means this level, resistance level, support level is taken. So it need to test the resistance level again. This level. From this level to slowly it will move and go to this level. $1,889, $1,885 like that. Now it is $1,724. That means big bull run. $160, $170 it will go upside. From this level you can calculate 10%, more than 10% rally is waiting. And you can calculate, and I will show you one more calculation. $438 is the correction from the top level to recent low. 438 into 50% equal to $219. One second. 438 divided by 2. $219. 50% retracement target is $219. $219 from the low level. 219 plus low is 1,673. $219 plus 1,673 equal to 1,892. Exactly, you can see $1,892 is the target, 50% retracement target from the fall, overall fall. You see the upper trend line and resistant level also you see 1885, almost that level is coming. 1890 is the 50% retracement level. So this is the target for the coming weeks. This will happen in next 3 to 5 weeks or even 8 weeks also. Why I have mentioned 3 weeks, 5 weeks, 8 weeks means these are all the Fibonacci numbers 3, 5, 8. So 21% correction happened, that is also Fibonacci. Suppose this 50% retracement happened in 5 weeks or 8 weeks. So it is a good rally, 10% rally in coming 5 to 8 weeks also good. And one more thing I will show you. I will zoom the chart. You can look at the candle. This is a bullish Aramic candle formed in the weekly chart. You can see this is the inside candle. Big red candle. This green candle is inside candle. This is called bullish Aramic candle as per candlestick patterns. So that is also happened in the weekly chart. Bullish Aramic candle will form in 1 hour chart, 4 hour chart. That also will give a big bull run. It is formed in 4 weekly candle means definitely big bull run going to happen in coming weeks. You can note down. So what we need to see, it is not the confirmation, only now the bullish Aramic candle formed in the weekly chart. We need the confirmation. What is that confirmation? The candle eye, last week's candle eye should trigger, and last week's closing level, this week's closing level will be higher compared to the last week's closing level means it is the confirmation. You can see last week's low is $6,673. Last week high was $1,738. Last week closing $1,720. So we need to watch the levels. $1,738 trigger means last week's high is trigger, and this week's closing level is above $1,720 means it is the confirmation for the next bull run. So we have enough time, another 4 days left for this week. So we need to see how the gold will perform. That means this last week's candle eye break or not, and last week's closing level is this week closing is much better than last week closing or not. We need to see that. If this confirmation come means definitely you can notice this upper trend line will retest. I will draw the diagram and show you how the things will perform. Now the candle is here. Slowly it will touch this level. Not very straight. Slowly it will go and touch this level. So this is the target for gold in coming days. Thank you friends. This is the analysis for the gold. Disclaimer, I am not the SEBI registered analyst or advisor. This is not the trading call. This is not a recommendation for you. This is only for the educational and learning purpose. You can understand the technical analysis, then you can make more money in stock market. First you should learn the technicals, how to draw the trend line, how to find out the candlestick patterns, and how to fix the target, how to arrive the Fibonacci ratios, all these things. So I hope everyone will enjoy this video, and you can learn after that you can make more money, make your own strategy and earn in the stock market. Suppose now you want to take the position based on this chart, means you can consult with your SEBI registered advisor or analyst before taking the position based on this analysis. So thank you friends. If you not subscribe my YouTube channel, means please subscribe for regular videos and click the bell icon. Thank you friends. Keep on supporting me. You can get the regular updates on stock market and commodity market. Thank you. Bye.